To use plug-and-play features, you will need to enable automatic system updates. The operation is as follows. Click on the Start icon in the bottom left corner of the computer settings. Click on Update Security. Just click on Resume Updates and you're all set to enable automatic updates. The product supports plug-and-play in Windows 8.1, 10, 11 system. First, we need to see if your computer has built-in Bluetooth. Right-click on the This PC, My Computer icon, and then select Manage. In the Computer Management window, click Device Manager. The device list will appear on the right side of the window. Find the Bluetooth, click the arrow next to the Bluetooth device, then select the built-in Bluetooth that needs to be disabled. Right-click, and select Disable Device. Next, insert the Bluetooth adapter, and wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the system to automatically download and install it. The Bluetooth icon should appear in the system tree after the driver is installed. Right-click on the icon and choose Add a Bluetooth device. From the context menu, click Add Bluetooth device or other devices. Bluetooth. Select the Bluetooth device you want to connect. If you are having trouble finding the Bluetooth icon in the bottom right corner of your computer screen, don't worry. You can easily locate the icon by following our simple method. First, find the Start icon in the lower left corner, left-click, then left-click on Settings. Select Devices after entering Bluetooth and other devices. Find more Bluetooth options and enter Bluetooth settings. Check Go Show Bluetooth icon in the notification area.